welcome to Island Hooking. Going fishing a little bit, and then take my daughter go fish a little while. Then after that, I gotta meet Derek in Lahaina, and then we're gonna go and fish, and hopefully we catch some Menpachi. Hopefully some mahole, it'll be great. Try dunk a little, see what's on the bottom, and then maybe lucky we catch some Akule too over there. Sometimes come in, sometimes it doesn't come in, but maybe this time we'll be lucky to at least get something. But crossing fingers, if we do catch anything, that'd be great. But yeah, hopefully today's gonna be a better day. I know it's right before the tropical storm, so we gotta rush and hurry because the waves are getting worse out here, so we gotta go now. So we'll get there before the sun goes down, and hopefully we can get in and out and maybe get something. So I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching Island Hooking, and I'll see you guys soon. Wish us luck. Okay, Kita, you ready to go catch something?
Yes.
Yeah? You got all your set up, all good?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, she's all ready to go. There you go. You got it. Very good. Keep cranking. Okay, let me get the rest so I don't get stuck in the front. I stay here with my friend Derek. Today we'll do a little bit different. We're going to dunk a little tonight. Still try to see if we can get something on the bottom. Maybe get something on the bottom. If not, we're going to try to get some Menpachi as well. So maybe get Menpachi. We'll try a little bit different. Spin for reds, dunk, maybe get something underneath, maybe some toa or tapi, I don't know. But figure change it up a little, so maybe today might be maybe get something nice to take home, I hope. But keep watching, and I hope today is gonna be a good day as well as tonight. I'll see you guys soon. You guys take care. CHL lure. The herrings, see how it works. First time. Perfect. Use this one, and it worked. Not bad. Some. Big buggers, man. Big buggers. Guys, I forgot to press record when we were catching the Akule, me and Derek, but at least you get to see what we caught. And he says Lahaina don't have any Akule. Sweet. There we go. Woo. Pretty good size. Caught them with the pink hardy bait. Like I say, those buggers are bright, man. They're really good. Fantastic. There you go. Whew. Love it. Nice. There you go, guys. Hardy baits. Here we go. Woo. Yeah. Yes, sir. Wow, some big boy. Oh, perch, perch. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Mixed bag. Wow. Whoa. I like that side. Whoa. Let me see. Wow, yeah. That's a big size bugger. Wow. Cool. Oh yeah, nice size. Awesome. Oh yeah, beautiful. Using the pink one,
Yeah,
the hardy bait.
yeah. I'm using the pink one right now.
Wow. Yeah, looks good, yeah.
Yeah.
Works, the pink one too.
Yeah.
Alexina. Wow. Yeah, that's a nice size one, huh?
Yeah. Good size.
Yeah, really good size. Cool. Not bad. So far so good. Cool. Good size, yeah?
Yeah, good size.
Oh! Wow! Look at that! That bug is a beast.
That's my line.
Awesome. Oh yeah, big boy. Big boy. Oh, papa. Woo. Woo.
Nice size.
Yeah, nice papa you got. So I'm using the hardy baits. The hardy baits working swell. Love it. Cool. Not bad. Pretty good size. Take a look at this one there. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Good size. Trying a little dunking over here. Oh yeah. Wow. There.
Oh.
Big wow. Ooh, yeah, I told you, yeah. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Oh wow. Nice size perch. Woohoo! Good size.
Okay, my turn.
Your turn. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, good size.
Yep, told you, yeah. Look at that. Baby. Man. Woo-wee. A pound and a half or two. Mean. Small. Hey, Menpachi there. Menpachi. Look at that. Menpachi. Woo, yep, they bite. On the dunk. Woohoo! You're biting on the dunk too there. Underneath. Oh yeah. Cool. Awesome. Get one. About 2 hours, I think, huh? Maybe. Woo. Oh, you got lobster. Yeah, I gotta throw them back, not lobster season.
Yeah.
But you got lobster. Ah, chip out. Ah, cool. Oh yeah, good size on. Woo! Wow, that's a good one. Yeah, nice. Awesome. Here it is. Good size. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Woo. Okay. So yeah, this is what we're talking about. Catching. Woo. Oh. Big boys. Woo. Look at that baby. Man. That's big. Big Menpachi. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, not bad, yeah?
Yeah, not bad.
Awesome. Get some more. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh. There's on the roll. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, look at all that. Woo. Got him. Woo. Nice. Oh. Wow. Oh, wow. That one's big. Woo. Wow. Woo. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Wow. That's a big one. Oh. Jeez. Yeah, that's huge. Wow. That's a monster. Monster. Ah! Woo! Came out. That was a big boy. Yee, shucks. Next round. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Pink works well. The pink works well.
Now you cranking, huh?
Yeah, I got the right technique now. Woo. Woo. Oh yeah, some big boy. Woo. The hardy baits are cranking it. Wow. Nice. Nothing but reds. Big boys. Well guys, the weather's getting bad, so we're gonna be calling it quits soon. Hope you guys had fun. Sorry I didn't videotape the Akule part, but perhaps next time. But at least you got to see some reds, caught a few toals, lobster. Yeah, we had a lot of fun. So hopefully next time we'll be able to catch tauhole. I've been trying to catch that, and so far no luck too much. But just keep watching island hooking. Maybe next round we'll be able to catch some silvers instead of just reds. And I'll see you guys soon. You guys take care, and thanks for watching Island Hooking.